Mathematical induction exercise 2a question number 12. So these problems are based on divisibility principle. So first 3 into 5 power 2n plus 1 plus 2 power 3n plus 1 is divisible by 17. We need to prove this one with mathematical induction. So what is the mathematical induction? We need to prove the given mathematical statement is true for n equal to for all natural numbers. We need to prove it for all natural numbers. How many natural numbers? There exist infinitely many natural numbers. So there are majorly 3 steps in induction. We need to prove it for n equal to 1. Second step, we need to prove it. Let us consider, assume that it is true for n equal to k. Third step, it is true for n equal to k plus 1. If these 3 steps are satisfied, it is true for all natural numbers. Okay, so it is true in nothing but here it should be divisible by 17. First, whatever it is given, I want to take s of n. 3 into 5 power not 3.5, 3 into 5 power 2n plus 1 plus 2 power 3n plus 1. So step 1, for n equal to 1. Step 1, for n equal to 1, s of 1 equal to 3 into 5 power 2 into 1 2 plus 1 plus 2 power 3 into 1 3 plus 1. So 3 into 5 power 2 plus 1, 5 cube equal to 125 plus 2 power 3 plus 1 4, 2 power 4, 2 into 2 4 into 2 8 into 2 16. So 3 into 125 375 plus 16 equal to 391. So if 391 is multiple of 17, it is divisible by 17. S of 1 is 2. So 391 17 391 17 into 2 34 5 17 into 3 51 0 remainder 0. So 17 into 23. So we can write this one as 17 into 23. So it is multiple of 17. S of 1 is multiple of 17. So S of 1 is divisible by 17. Divisible by 17. S of 1 is divisible by 17. So this statement is divisible by 17 for n equal to 1. So therefore it is true for n equal to 1. The statement is true for n equal to 1. Next, step 2. Assume that the statement is true for n equal to k. We are considering the given statement. The statement is true for n equal to k. So this statement is true for n equal to k. It is nothing but if we are substituting n equal to k, it should be divisible by 17. Divisible by 17 is nothing but it is multiple of 17. So S of k equal to 3 into 5 power 2k plus 1 plus 2 into power 3k plus 1 is divisible by 17. It is nothing but multiple of 17. 17 into some multiple. So I want to take this one 3 into 5 power 2k plus 1 equal to 17 and bringing this one outside minus 2 power 3k plus 1. 17 and minus 2 power 3k plus 1. Okay, so this one, let us consider this is equation number 1. So we are assuming the statement is true for n equal to k. It is nothing but s of k is multiple of 17. S of k is divisible by 17. That's why we are writing 17 into some multiple 17. So bringing this term outside simply. Next, step 3. Now we need to prove it is true for n equal to k plus 1. Now we need to prove it is true for n equal to k plus 1. It is nothing but so simplify s of k plus 1. It is also multiple of 17. If it is also multiple of 17, then s of k plus 1 divisible by 17, it is true for n equal to k plus 1. Okay, so I am taking s of k plus 1. So instead of n I want to write k plus 1. 3 into 5 power 2 of k plus 1 plus 1. Instead of n, k plus 1 plus 2 power 3 of k plus 1 plus 1. So 3 into 5 power 2 into k 2k 2 into 1 2 plus 1 plus 2 power 3 into k 3k 3 into 1 3 plus 1. So all the in the equation 1 2k plus 1 3k plus 1. So that's why I want to write this one 3 into 5 power 2k plus 1 plus 2 2 plus 1 equal to 1 plus 2 simply plus 2 power 3k plus 1 plus 3 simply 3 plus 1 equal to 1 plus 3. Why I am writing? So we have equation in terms of 2k plus 1 and 3k plus 1. That's why I want to write this one. Next 3 into 5 power a power n plus n equal to a power n plus n equal to a power m into a power m. This is up to this one m, this is n. 5 power 2k plus 1 into 5 square a power m, a power n, a power n plus n. Similar 2 power 3k plus 1 into 2 cube. Next s of k plus 1 equal to s of k plus 1 equal to 5 square equal to how much? 25 into 2 into 3 into 5 power 2k plus 1 plus 2 cube equal to 8 into 2 power 3k plus 1 2 cube 8. So from equation 1 3 into 5 power 2k plus 1 equal to 3 into 5 power 2k plus 1 equal to 3 into 5 power 2k plus 1 equal to 3 into 5 power 2k plus 1 equal to 17n minus 2 power 3k plus 1. From equation 1, instead of this one, I want to write this one. 25 of 3 into 5 power 2k plus 1 equal to 17n minus 2 into 2 power 3k plus 1 plus 8 of 8 into 2 power 3k plus 1. Next 25 into 17n minus 25 into 2 power 3k plus 1 plus 8 into 2 power 3k plus 1. Next 2 power 3k plus 1 common 25 into 17n minus 2 power 3k plus 1 common 25 minus common plus will become minus. So 25 into 17m 25 minus 8 minus 17 into 2 power 3k plus 1. In these two terms 17 getting common 17 common 25m minus 2 power 3k plus 1. If we observe s of k plus 1 17 into some multiple. So it is also multiple of 17, so it is divisible by 17. Therefore s of k plus 1 is divisible by 17. S of k plus 1 is divisible by 17. Therefore, given statement is true for n equal to k plus 1. So, S of n is divisible by 17, it is true for n. So, S of k plus 1 is divisible by 17, it is true for n equal to k plus 1. Three steps are satisfied. Therefore, it is true for all n belong to n. So this is the solution. Next, similar kind of problem in example. So question is fourth example 4. Use mathematical induction to prove. Use mathematical induction to prove 2 power 2 into 4 power 2n plus 1 plus 3 power 3n plus 1 is divisible by 11. So we need to prove 2 into 4 power 2n plus 1 plus 3 into 3 power 3n plus 1 is divisible by 11. Whatever it is given, I am taking S of n. 2 into 4 power 2n plus 1 plus 3 power 3n plus 1. So similar to this one, we need to prove for n equal to 1. Assume that the statement is true for n equal to k. We need to prove it for n equal to k plus 1. If these three steps are satisfied, it is true for all natural numbers. First, it is S of n. Now, step 1. For n equal to 1. For n equal to 1. S of 1 equal to 2 into 4 power 2 into 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 3 power 3 into 1 3 plus 1 4. So equal to 4 cube 64 4 into 4 into 4 64 into 2 128 plus 3 power 4 3 into 3 9 into 3 27 into 3 81 adding 209. So whether it is divisible by 11, I want to check. 209 11 into 1 11 9 11 into 9 99. So 209 we can write it as 11 into 19 11 into 19. Therefore it is divisible by 11. So it is divisible by 11. So therefore the statement should be true for any divisible by 11. So if we substitute n equal to 1, it is divisible by 11. So it is correct for n equal to 1. It is true for n equal to 1. So the statement is true for n equal to 1. Next, step 2. Assume that the given statement is true for n equal to k. So the statement is true for n equal to k. S of k equal to, the statement is true for n equal to k. S of k equal to, so instead of n I want to write k. S of k equal to 2 into 4 power 2k plus 1 plus 3 power 3k plus 1. 2 into 4 power 2k plus 1 plus 3 into 3 power 3k plus 1. So this is true for n equal to k. It is nothing but it is also divisible by 11. So it is divisible by 11. We should write a multiple of 11 into n. 11 into some multiple. Next, so 2 into 4 power 2k plus 1 equal to 11n minus 3 power 3k plus 1. Similar to the previous. Bringing this one outside. Step 3. Now we need to prove it is true for n equal to k plus 1. Now we need to prove the given statement is true for n equal to k plus 1. S of k plus 1 equal to, S of k plus 1 equal to 2 into 4 power, instead of n we write k plus 1. So 2 of k plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 of k plus 1 plus 1. So 2 into 4 power 2 of k plus 1 plus 1, 3 power 3 of k plus 1 plus 1. So instead of n I am writing k plus 1. Next, 2 into 4 power 2 into k 2k, 2 into 1 2 plus 1 plus 3 power 3 into k 3k, 3 into 1 3 plus 1. Now 2 into, so in equation 1 all the terms are 2k plus 1 3k plus 1 plus 1. So that's why I want to write 4 power 2k plus 1 plus 2. 2 plus 1 is nothing but 1 plus 2. Both are same. Plus 3 power 3k 3 plus 1 1 plus 3 1 plus 3. So now 2 into 4 power 2k plus 1 into 4 square. A power up to this one m, this is a power n plus n equal to a power n into a power n plus 3 power 3k plus 1 into 3 cube, 3k plus 1 into 3 cube. 4 square equal to 8 of 2 2 into 4 power 2k plus 1. 2 into 4 power 2k plus 1 equal to 11m minus 3 power 3k plus 1. So 11m minus 3 power 3k plus 1. 3 cube equal to 27. So 27 of 3 power 3k plus 1. 3 power 3k plus 1. Okay, one more time. 4 power 2, actually this is 16. 4 power 2 equals 16. This is not 8. This is 16. 4 square equals 16. Okay, now 16 into 11m minus 60 into 3 power 3k plus 1 plus 27 into 3 power 3k plus 1. So I don't want to multiply 11 to 16. I will have it is 16 into 11m. In this 3 power 3k plus 1 minus, okay, plus 3 power 3k plus 1. So 27 minus 16. 16 into 11m. 27 minus 16, 11 into 3 power 3k plus 1. In this term containing 11, this term containing 11, I am taking 11 common. If we are taking 11 common, 16m plus 3 power 3k plus 1. So s of k plus 1 is multiple of 11 into some words. So it should be multiple of 11. So s of k plus 1 is divisible by 11. So it is divisible by 11. So s of n is 2. The statement of n is divisible by 11. Here, if we are taking n equal to k plus 1, also it is divisible by 11. Therefore, the given statement is true for n equal to k plus 1. Therefore, by the induction, it is true for r belong to n. Okay, one more example we will do. Example number 1. So x power n minus y power n is divisible by x minus y. So this is the question. X power n minus y power n is divisible by x minus y for all natural numbers. So same steps we need to continue. Before that I am taking this is s of n. S of n, let s of n equal to x power n minus y power n. X power n minus y power n. Step 1, for n equal to 1. S of 1 equal to, instead of n I want to write 1, x power 1 minus y power 1. This is equal to x minus y. Whether x minus y is multiple of x minus y, I want to write this one, x minus y into 1. So x minus y into some multiple. So it is divisible by x minus y. Therefore, statement is true for n equal to 1. Step 1 completed. So if we are substituting 1, we will get a same result. So it should be multiple of x minus y. So it is true for x n equal to 1. Step 2. Assume that the statement is true for n equal to k. So I am considering the given statement is true for n equal to k. Statement 2 means divisible by x minus y. So divisible by x minus y. X power k minus y power k. Divisible by x minus y is nothing but x minus y into something that I am taking m. So x power k equal to x minus y of m plus y power k. This minus y power k bringing outside equation number 1. Step 3. So in the second step we are assuming it is true. So in the third step, now we need to prove it is true for n equal to k plus 1. So in the third step I want to prove it is true for n equal to 1, k plus 1. It is nothing but instead of n I want to substitute k plus 1. If it is also multiple of k x minus y, it is true for n equal to k plus 1. So s of k plus 1 equal to x power k plus 1 minus y power k plus 1. So a power n plus n, x power 1 into x power k minus y power 1 into y power k. X of x power k equal to x minus y into m plus y power k minus y into y power k. So xn of x minus y into m plus x into y power k minus y into y power k. So I don't want to multiply, simply as it is x of x minus y into m. In these two terms, y power k common, x minus y, we get the remaining terms x minus y. In these two, there are, here it is two terms, x of x minus y of m, one term, y power k into x minus y, another term. In these two terms, x minus y common. If we are taking x minus y common, x into m plus y power k. So it is s of k plus 1 is the product of x minus y into this one. So s of k plus 1 is multiple of x minus y. Thus s of k plus 1 is divisible by x minus y. Therefore s of k plus 1 is divisible by x minus y. It is divisible by x minus y. Therefore the statement is true for n equal to k plus 1. By the induction it is true for